Are you interested in effortlessly growing your Bitcoin portfolio? I sure am. The Bitcoin Credit Card by Gemini earns you Bitcoin back on every purchase. Use it like any credit card. Buy lunch, gas, or your weekly groceries, and you'll earn up to 4% back instantly in Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos straight to your account. All that with no annual fee. And right now, you can grab a $200 Bitcoin welcome bonus. It's the easiest way to start building your Bitcoin stack. Go to Gemini.com/card to learn more. Terms apply. See the link in the description for more information regarding rates and fees. Issued by WebBank. To qualify for the $200 crypto intro bonus, you must spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. Some exclusions to instant rewards apply. This is not investment advice, and trading crypto involves risk. Check Gemini's website for more details on rates and fees.
Make 2026 the year you launch your business, the year you transform into an entrepreneur, founder, boss. One powerful move puts your future firmly in your hands, starting a business with Shopify. If you've got an idea you can't shake or a store you've already designed in your head, with Shopify, 2026 is when you can finally make it happen. Shopify gives you everything you need to sell online and in person. Billions of entrepreneurs have already made this leap, from household names like Gymshark to first-time businesses like Watch This. Shopify gives you all the tools to easily build your dream store. Choose from hundreds of beautiful templates that you can customize to match your brand. The setup is fast with Shopify's built-in AI tools that write product descriptions and headlines and help you edit product photos. Marketing is built in too. Create email and social campaigns that reach customers wherever they scroll. As you grow, Shopify grows with you. Handle more orders, expand to new markets, and do it all from the same dashboard. In 2026, stop waiting and start selling with Shopify. Sign up for your $1 per month trial and start selling today at shopify.com/DCR. Go to shopify.com/DCR. That's shopify.com/DCR. Hear your first this year with Shopify. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, January 15th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is up slightly at $96,946. Ethereum is up slightly at $3,368, and Binance Coin is up slightly at $940.
The world moves fast. Your workday? Even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use, helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize, so you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Well, Coinbase withdrew support for the Senate's sweeping crypto market structure bill on Wednesday night after a fast-moving week of new text, tight deadlines, and unresolved policy concerns, according to a source familiar with the decision, which they said was not made lightly. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong cited four main issue areas: how the bill handles tokenized equities, DeFi, provisions he argued would kill rewards on stablecoins, and the SEC's role, stressing it wasn't one single deal breaker, but that concerns were triggered when updated bill text of 270-plus pages was released Monday night, with major sections seen for the first time and new problems, including an illicit finance section, followed by amendments due Tuesday afternoon, and Coinbase concluding it was not in customers' best interest given unclear prospects for fixes and too little time for further Senate Banking Committee engagement. Later Wednesday, Senate Banking Committee Chair Tim Scott announced the markup was postponed, saying industry, financial sector, and lawmakers were still negotiating in good faith. Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan said on a Wednesday earnings call that a U.S. Treasury Department study suggests up to $6 trillion in bank deposits, about 30% to 35% of total commercial bank deposits, could shift into stablecoins if Congress allows stablecoins to pay interest, warning that this would pull funding out of the traditional banking system and force banks to shrink lending or replace deposits with more expensive wholesale funding. He argued interest-bearing stablecoins function more like money market funds, with reserves parked in short-term assets like United States Treasuries instead of being recycled into bank loans. The flashpoint is the latest negotiated Senate crypto market structure draft released by Senate Banking Committee Chair Tim Scott on January 9th, which would ban digital asset service providers from paying yield just for holding stablecoins, passive interest, while still allowing activity-based rewards tied to things like staking, providing liquidity, or posting collateral. Ethereum treasury firm BitMine Immersion Technologies said it will make a $200 million equity investment in MrBeast's Beast Industries, the media and consumer holding company founded by Jimmy Donaldson, linking a major ETH accumulator with the world's most followed single creator platform. Beast Industries spans large-scale content, consumer brands like Feastables and MrBeast Burger, merch, and new commerce ventures. Tom Lee framed the deal as a strategic bet for Gen Z and Gen Alpha reach, plus retail distribution and pop culture relevance, while CEO Jeff Hausenbold said the capital will fund growth and exploration of DeFi integrations and future financial services products, with closing expected around January 19th. Well, London Stock Exchange Group announced Thursday the launch of its Digital Settlement House, a 24/7 blockchain-based platform for settling transactions using tokenized commercial bank deposits, enabling instantaneous payments across multiple currencies and connected networks. It runs within the firm's post-trade solutions, operates via accounts at commercial banks to give members immediate ownership of deposits, and adds features like dynamic intraday liquidity and funding management, including intraday borrowing and lending, synchronized settlement, shorter settlement timelines, and increased collateral availability to reduce settlement risk. And finally, Fogo, a high-throughput blockchain built on the Solana virtual machine and designed by ex-Wall Street executives for real-time trade execution, is launching its public mainnet after the Fogo Foundation raised $7 million in a Binance strategic token sale, selling 2% of Fogo at a $350 million valuation to fund the foundation. Last month, Fogo canceled a planned pre-sale of 2% of supply that aimed to raise $20 million at a $1 billion fully diluted valuation, opting instead for an airdrop and expanded points program. Funding also includes a January 2025 Community First round. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
Hello, this is Jack Wilson, the host of the History of Literature podcast. For the past 10 years, I've been talking to novelists, biographers, and scholars about the greatest books in the history of the world and the men and women who wrote them. Like our recent episodes on Dante in Love, a starter pack of 10 Indian classics, the pop culture that influenced Sylvia Plath, and a talk with scientist and novelist Alan Lightman about the wonders of nature. Join us at the History of Literature podcast, wherever you get your podcasts.
Are you interested in effortlessly growing your Bitcoin portfolio? I sure am. The Bitcoin Credit Card by Gemini earns you Bitcoin back on every purchase. Use it like any credit card. Buy lunch, gas, or your weekly groceries, and you'll earn up to 4% back instantly in Bitcoin or one of over 50 other cryptos straight to your account. All that with no annual fee. And right now, you can grab a $200 Bitcoin welcome bonus. It's the easiest way to start building your Bitcoin stack. Go to Gemini.com/card to learn more. Terms apply. See the link in the description for more information regarding rates and fees. Issued by WebBank. To qualify for the $200 crypto intro bonus, you must spend $3,000 in your first 90 days. Some exclusions to instant rewards apply. This is not investment advice, and trading crypto involves risk. Check Gemini's website for more details on rates and fees.